the problem? What is happening here? Who are you people? Huh? I know you're pretending not to know me. I am the man you have been enjoying his wealth. I'm the man that you've been sleeping with his wife. I'm the man that you have been fathering his children. I'm the man that you've been taking rent from all his properties without even giving me shishi. I'm the man that you had the gut to kill his wife. I am Angola. I am back.
He's almost coming now.
It's okay. We're almost there. Okay, we're almost there. Just keep it up, eh? We're almost there.
Please move faster. The baby is coming.
It's okay. We're almost there. Move. Alright, just so tight. Just keep on.
My waist.
It's okay. Let me massage you. It's okay.
Oh, God.
We're almost there. Please. It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. We're almost there.
Hold my waist.
Oh, sorry.
It's coming, baby.
Sorry. We'll get there soon. Okay? Please. Okay, move.
Okay, sir.
We'll get there soon, okay? Please.
It's faster.
It's okay. Just calm down. We'll get there. Calm down. We'll get there.
Ikedieze, the great oracle with two manhood, the ugly girl that is married to the most beautiful goddess. You see and hear for other girls. Today is the day we have been waiting for. Ikedieze, what can man no one? As a quarter in a matter of so book a jacker knocker. Ikedieze, as a quarter in a guy choke. No could be an again in a gagbano course, not one amarabena bonke boke, Mike Peccat rebo porno. Mokana Bolina Munye, Tegu, Riene Tiquen and Negu. Moririonye Kagu, Yatina Nekanaz, Pacaraya Mozo, Jala, no.
honestly, Angola, I'm super excited seeing you. I don't want to tell you anything. I just wanted us to come home first. At least, thank God for His divine protection, His mercy, for keeping you alive for 11 good years. Why will I be saying good years? For 11 horrible years in that Angola prison. Even as a foreigner, you made it alive.
David, we have been thanking God from the moment you picked me up from the boat up till now. And we can never stop thanking God, David. But please, I just want to see my wife. I mean, I don't know why she has refused to call me. I never heard from her for the 11 years that I spent in Angolan prison. She did not call, she didn't even call any member of my family. I don't know. Everything I own is under her. Under her care. I just want to see her, please.
Definitely you will see her, okay? But things are complicated right now.
I don't understand. What do you mean by things are complicated? David, I don't know. I just don't understand you. You have been somehow restraining me from seeing my wife. What is the problem?
Come on, I won't be doing that.
No, David. No, I don't understand. Because I'm surprised. I'm shocked why I have not seen my wife. I don't know why she has refused to see me. She has not called me. I never heard from her. I never heard from Naomi even for one day. Now we are bottom. For a good 11 years. I didn't hear from her. This was a woman I married. I married her. I married her traditionally and otherwise. So I don't see the reason why she doesn't want to see me. That's why I said I just want to see her now. Let her tell me the reasons why she doesn't want to see me. Why I have not heard from her for all this horrible 11 years.
Okay, fine and good. I will take you to her, okay? But the thing right now is, she remarried. That's the point.
She what?
She remarried after you were locked up.
David, she got married to you or who? Or go already?
Why would you be saying anything like that? She got married to someone else.
Oh. How's she doing?
Your son is doing just fine. But your wife didn't make it.
My wife is dead.
She started bleeding after she gave birth to your son. She died while we are still trying to control the bleeding.
My wife is dead.
I'm very sorry, sir.
The great Dido, nobody shares in what is rightfully yours, just like you don't share in what is not yours. Your sacrifice is served before you. Arise and enjoy the benefits of the riches you showered on your children, and as they acquire abundant wealth from your great shrine, may the blood of their loved ones never dry in your pot of sacrifice. Nabuna mberede beja manu dike Idido no wonye Asukwara muguni bu dike Manya bekele dike neko mero mekwo mozo Ese wanyi gekele ni gekele atukele ojimiri nara monye panga mamogo de monye oshimiri na eji na esho yo Manya bunike mechetero bele gbare munyi yige. Ribo meribu yo gbo.
I know where you can find your wife. I know where she lives with her husband and kids. Okay? But the last time, the last time I saw her, she was heavily pregnant. See, I will take you there, okay? If truly and you really want to see her that urgent.
Wait, David. Are you telling me that the wife I married, they married to another man? Without even telling any member of my family, or even telling me, or bringing back my bride price? This was a woman I married. I did everything. I married her traditionally and legally. Aging family, you go. See, I will have to get her back. And get those children that she had for that man, I will get them back. Because they are mine. I married her. I will get all my properties. And this woman, are you also aware that this woman she has access to all my bank accounts? Yes. All the money in my account, she has access to them. She's married to somebody and she's living with the person and I swear collecting rent from my tenant. No, I need to see her.
Okay.
I need to see
Angola,
her.
see, you will see her tomorrow, okay? Definitely you will see her tomorrow. See, your family tried their possible best to claim your properties from her, but she silenced them and disappeared with that man she got married to. I personally told your mom and siblings to stay clear from your property and anything that concerns her. Knowing fully well that you're not dead, you're just in the prison. And now you're back. As I speak to you now, she already has kids with the man she got married to.
Take me to her. I want to see her.
Not that fast. Not today. See, the most important thing you need to do now is we sit, we'll discuss further what to do, the right move to take. First, you need to call your mom. She has been dying for 11 good years to hear from you.
I will see her in the night. David, you know how much I love Naomi?
Sure I do. I don't need a sorcerer to tell me that.
She's my wife. I will want her back with those kids she had for that man. Because we were legally married. I said legally and traditionally married. I did everything. I paid her dowries. So I will do everything within my power to get her back. To get her, my kids, and those properties. Yes.
See, Angola, at this point in time, that will lead to war. The man we're talking about is a man of war. He's too radical. Can't butu now, butu.
David, I did not spend over a decade in prison in Angola to come back home to be accustomed by a man that stole my wife. And you want me to come and sit down and negotiate? No! My brother, whatever it will take me to get my wife, those kids, and my properties in her possession, I will do it. If it is war that it will take for me to get all these things back, then so be it.
Angola.
Hello, who's it? Hello? Yeah. What? My children? Serious? Move fast.
Oga, is everything okay?
My children are not feeling fine. Move fast.
Jesus. Okay.
Easy now, who be that?
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Is your madam around, Naomi?
No, she's not around. She went rushed to the hospital. She's in labor. And I never hear from her since they left.
Okay. Can I come in and sit at least?
No, I don't think that is possible. You can call Maga to call me so that I will receive an instruction from him.
No problem. I will come back, okay?
Okay, but sir, please, how am I going to tell him that to look for him?
Oh, that won't be necessary. I will be back, okay?
Okay, sir.
What's going on?
They are fine. I came to let you know that we will get blood from our own blood bank to infuse them because your blood didn't match with any of them.
My blood didn't match with any of them.
I think this is not the right time to figure that out. I just came to let you know of our new development and our next step so that they can be sound and healthy.
My blood didn't match with enough. Why is that possible? Okay, just do whatever you can do. Okay?
We'll do our best. Please let me sit down and outside. Let me have it in my office now.
Angola, my son, seeing you alive and healthy is the only thing that matters to me now. After spending all these years in prison in a foreign land where we could not even come to visit you, hell, I can only say thank you, Jesus. My son, as for Naomi, whatever she did or still doing shouldn't be your major priority for now.
It should be your major priority, my son. It should be. Listen, you must recover everything in her custody. Even her. I would have embarked on this battle if I was healthy enough. Because what she did is very embarrassing to us and to the entire family. My own daughter-in-law ran away with everything my son had, denied us access to all of them, and eloped with a man without returning her bride price. And Emmanuel, Obomenana, Chukwebuka, my son, listen and listen good. You must not just recover every of your properties that you labored for. You must recover her too. Yes, she's your property. I even heard that she has children. Those kids are ours traditionally, and we must reclaim them. They are my grandchildren.
Papa, you've spoken well. Mama, you've spoken well. See, the point is clear. Naomi is too young to understand tradition so well. Naomi is too young. With all the moves she has been making. She knows if she returns the bride price and decides to divorce the marriage traditionally, she's going to lose the entire property. And that will give us edge in reclaiming your properties. Well, I didn't want us to embark on that journey legally because we're not financially stable to do that. Ma, Papa have said it all. Go and reclaim your property, including those kids. They are yours.
Papa, Mama, good to see you people again. Thank you. Don't worry. Thank you for everything. You see those properties? Naomi herself and her children. I'll get them back.
Better.
Kwara m n'ọchịchị anaghị agba n'ụgbasho. Mụ here asọghị ọkụ moto gbogbo. Mikpekere oshi beji ama n'oshi. What you seek in the shrine of the great Idido, you shall receive in abundance. The great Idido shall bless you with abundant wealth, just as you wished and asked. It is time to step forward and pick one egg from the egg of wealth and sacrifice. And once you break the egg before the shrine of Idido, you have broken all the seeds in your manhood in exchange for wealth that you seek. You will never have children from now till death.
I can't do it. No. I am the only child of my parents. Not having a child is closing down my father's lineage. I cannot do it. Please, is there any other way?
There is no other way. And for refusing to do the needful, be ready to wage war against abject poverty. Nwatakịrị tetere ụtụtụ sị ka nya wotu ọgaranya okpu ndị ma kpụrụ ọgaranya n'ishi. So chetakwa na mbọchị ndị ma kwa mara ivulevu je bịa bụ ọgaranya. Na ya bụ nwatakịrị ya eche n'ishi na ya evite ndị mma. Ivu heaven lakọkwanụ na ebe mma. You people will come back in 4 days' time to wash your face and feet in preparations for abundant wealth and powers that is already on the way. Go! Go! And come back in 4 days' time. Gama bụ na chulu dele n'udele bụ nwandụ mma machi maja mahụ dele mara n'ihe mere na london ma mudele chi na-eme nwa ya soro so ya greno nneko mele dunyo ya dana n'ọnwa nwa ọ bụrụ nri nye mọdụ na ọ bụrụ nwanya udele bejano hidido ekele numugo oke daka na ebuni gwuru ụzọ na ekele mugo ekele.
So there. So you came all the way to this place just to change your mind?
No, I didn't just change my mind. I could not just give up all the seed in my manhood. I'm the only child of my parents. I don't have any child anywhere. It's like you, who's already married with children.
Oh, okay. If you decide to do like that, see, let me tell you, don't you ever come around me when these things happen. If you come around, hey, let me warn you, don't you ever come to us for financial assistance. Because I will lock you up that day. Yes, I will definitely lock you up.
No, please. That good. It hasn't gotten to that now. Please understand me. There's no way I can give up everything in me just because I want to. I know I need that money, but I can't just.
Odera, I understand your plight and I understand what you're trying to blab. But I want to make this warning to sound in your ears so loudly so they don't make mistakes. Please pretend as if you never accompany us to this place. Okay? Because by the time level changes, by the time we start flowing in affluence, if I hear anybody saying or telling people the source of our wealth, then we will know it came out of your mouth. Please zip your mouth and don't say a word, because if we hear it, Odera, the consequences will be severe.
You just hear what Portugal said. You heard it. If this thing casts, we know say that you cast out. Because no other person know our source of wealth except you. So if you hear it out there in the street, we know say that you cast out and you bear the consequences. Rubbish. So you see us as fools. We don't think. I want to think. I can't just decide my mind. Oh, we didn't think. We didn't make up our mind, eh?
That's not what I mean.
Keep what you mean to yourself. But if you hear this outside, we will know that you are the one that cast us. Because no other person will know our source of life except you. Except you. If this thing casts, we know it's you. And you bear the consequences like he said.
Hey.
So come go there your hand. Rubbish. You think we are fool? Yeah, make up your mind. Yeah, you want to think.
I know.
Come and ask me money when it will happen. I need to confirm if these children are truly mine. Am I overreacting? I need to know if they belong to me.
Conducting a DNA test is not a bad idea. If it's that what you want, we will do it as quickly as possible.
Doc, I want to get it done today and now.
Okay then.
Portugal, I don't see myself ever changing my mind. Never. I cannot mortgage my lineage for wealth. Moreover, I'm the only child of my parents. Can't you understand that? Okay, now. Let me ask you this question. What is the point of making this money without having children that will carry on my lineage?
And there's no point bringing innocent children into this world to suffer. See, I'd rather stay unmarried, not have any child, than to bring children into this world, this cold world to suffer. I will do anything, humanly possible that is required to make this money. I'm not going to stop because I've already started. And I'll make this money and make it abundantly, like Idodo has promised.
Honestly, I was surprised that you quickly made that decision with Dogado. You know, he already has children and his wife is pregnant with another child. My God.
Odera, I don't need to look at anybody's face to take decisions for myself. See, I'm from a very large family. We are very, very large. And all my siblings have not made it in life. My family is very poor. When I mean poor, we are poor. We don't have anything whatsoever to show for it. I am ready to risk anything I have to make this money, save myself, save my family from drowning in abject poverty. My problem now is for Dogado to pick his call so that we'll go and complete what we have started. Let me call him again.
Is it not ringing?
I don't know why he's not picking my call. I mean, my blood is hot. I need to finish this thing once and for all.
All I can say is that you should take it easy.
Doctor, what you're saying is that none of my children is my biological child.
That is what the DNA test says.
That none of them is my blood.
That's what the DNA test says. I wish your wife is alive to throw more light on this matter. You really need to put yourself together. It's not the end of the world. I mean, you're still very young to have as many children as you wish.
Doc, I want to discharge my kids.
But they're not due for discharge. I mean, they are not fully recovered.
They will recover at home. So I want to go clear the bills.
Okay.
Who is that?
Let him come in. My friend.
Okay, sir.
Who owns this house?
David. It's my house. It's one of my handouts. This is where I keep my boys. Some of my boys.
You never told me this.
David, don't worry. We have a lot to discuss.
Oh, then.
David, you said you don't want to take anything.
No, I'm fine. I'm good.
You know, these people denied me freedom. And that they denied me freedom does not mean that my business will not function. I came back after spending several years in prison to be to reunite with my family members, especially my wife and my kids. But it's like someone is making that impossible for me. David, you will do everything in your power to make sure I see my wife and my kids. I'm beginning to think that boy, Donald, or whatever they call him,
Yeah, Donald.
he's aware that I'm in town. So he's working night and day to make sure I do not see my family members.
Angola. Your wife is dead.
What? So what did you just say?
You heard me clear.
Wife is what?
Your wife is dead. She died a few days ago when she was put into bed.
So that young man has succeeded in killing my wife so he can have my keys and property. David, I need that young man's head so that when I'm burying my wife, I bury his head beside my wife's. Do you understand me?
I'm sure I do. But I don't think that Donald of a person is somebody you can have his head easily. For more information I gathered, that man is tough, rough, radical. I think we should just focus on how to get your properties from his custody. That should be your priority.
David, I am tougher than him. David, I'm much more deadly than him. David has spent several years in Angolan prison. You have not even asked me how I managed to get myself out here. You don't know the other side of me. Like I said, I want his head. I want to have his head as part of my property. So when I bury my wife, I have my children, I have my property, including his head.
What are you doing? And who are you digging this grave for?
I'm finished. My wife lied to me. Look at me. I'm finished.
How, Donna? We are at the verge of making it in life after a long wait. Here you are, crying, digging a grave. Probably to bury your own children that you know you can never have another.
But my wife is dead. She's not even here to tell me who their father is. My wife was cheating on me for so many years, to the extent of having 3 beautiful children for another man. Look at me.
Donna, I understand your pain. I can see the fire from your eyes. Any other man in your shoes will do the same. But the sweetest news is that your wife your so-called wife Naomi is no longer alive to testify that these kids are not yours. You have sacrificed your manhood to Idodo Shrine in exchange of wealth and power. You don't longer have any other choice than to hold on to those children tightly to yourself and make them yours, because you can never have another child. Yes, you can never have another. It's only us that are aware that those kids are not your biological children. Donna, do you know how many people out there that are being fathered by men that are not their biological fathers? So many, uncountable. Please, cover that grave and see to this that the death of your wife has given you an advantage to hold tight to those children. Don't let them go, and don't let anybody take them away from you. You already called your father. Why not father them and wait for the word that will be bestowed on us in a few days to come? Please, brother. I feel your pain. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We should approach this matter with care, force and violence when necessary. You cannot have another man take your wife, your properties, your children, kill your wife and take her body. Mbanono. My spirit will never be at rest, and our ancestors will never forgive me if I allow this happen under my watch. That bastard, that beast must have known that you are in town looking for him and your wife. Then he hurriedly killed her so that he will own your properties. But that will not happen. It will never happen. We are looking up to your wife's kinsmen to come. We are giving them 3 days to see if they can come to tell us about the death of your wife. If that does not happen, then you go to them and ask the whereabouts of your wife. They must provide her, dead or alive, or we burn down the entire community.
Papa, Papa can see. I have enough money to finance any kind of war. Enough to buy fuel and the burn in the entire community. Jimmy, enough. Jimmy, enough.
My son, I can see that. You don't need to explain anything about that to me. I'm aware of that. Angola. Well,
I believe you.
I don't want to be the game man. What I want is total war. Total war until all that belongs to you is gotten back intact the way it is, including your wife. That's what I want.
Papa, my boy. If that boy, oh, maybe I you. And I mean it. And I will do it.
Sometimes you go look good, sometimes you go look bad, you no worry. If I need no one, you know where. All the time, George, no worry.
problem? What is happening here? Who are you people? Huh?
I know you're pretending not to know me. I am the man you have been enjoying his wealth. I am the man that you've been sleeping with his wife. I am the man that you have been fathering his children. I am the man that you've been taking rent from all his properties without even giving me shishi. I'm the man that you had the God to kill his wife. I am Angola. I am back.
Why you call yourself Angola? As you can see, we don't sell antelopes here. I don't know you. I have not met you before. As you can see, we are just driving out. So I have an apartment to catch up with. Please, could you please move out of my space?
I am not here to disrupt your activities. I'm here to give you 2 weeks to vacate my properties. I'm here to tell you that you should leave my properties and hand over to me everything that belongs to me. And for information, you have to go and show me where you kept the body of my wife.
That's the most important place.
Because I need to give her a befitting burial in my house, her husband. After which you will explain to me why you killed my wife.
Well, I don't know you. Then for your information, my wife will be buried in my own village, in my own land. And I don't owe anybody any explanation of what happened. Or you don't even have the right to know where the dead body is.
Then be ready for what will come after.
Always ready. Never been afraid.
Donald, itago abacha wa eji ogiri mbisi wo. Akana nga gwara gị won.
Mata ya. Rauso, fichano. Mana ị ga-agwa ihe m ga-ada. Because ịgwa ya nu ga-aba ya. Huh?
Mama gị circumcise. Mmebiarigo. And I will do that.
Oke abacha, ị ga-agwa ihe m ga-ata.
Oke abacha, ị ga-agwa my taste.
Do you think we sell antelope here?
For my side, you kesi, nakamu kesi, yeah. Iman Angola sirike, Angola neme ife sirike. Papata no bodo potaji aribanu, Angola neme ife sirike. Ichoro kaji tiwa siwa nye tiwa siwa, Angola sirike, onye mpiakasi.
Portuguese. I could perceive blood all over his body. I could see blood in his eyes. The devil I married couldn't even tell me that she was married to a demon. Portuguese. He looked into my eyes and told me that I would return all his properties. My children, which he still call his children. The dead body of his wife. He even threatened me that I must explain what happened to my wife, which he still call his wife. Portuguese, what do I do?
Dogado. Are you really asking that question? You are a lion. A lion, that is who you are. It's simple. He's calling for war. I can see war. The drum beats of war is already sounding. But then, you can't chicken out. A lion doesn't chicken out. Except you are ready to lose your properties to him, including your children, that you and I know you will not have another children again.
Ready for war. I am ready for war. I mean, I cannot lose my wife to death and lose my children to anybody. Never. Not even him can stop me. Nobody.
That is what I want to hear. In that case, I, Portugal, am ruggedly behind you.
Always count on you.
Dogado.
Always count on you.
We go give and run.
Always count on
I say we go give and run.
Mugu.
Ta! Who he be?
Na Mugu.
Ta! Who he be?
Kaya 10/10.
Hey!
With that bullet.
Here's the part payment. Just deliver the body to us.
That will not be a problem. Inimekwana means. See, in case you need any human parts, just tell me. I will deliver sharply without any delay.
Oga, I don't want any human beings part. Just deliver her corpse to us, to the said address, and that's fine, okay?
No problem.
No, thanks.
Donald, if it's never going to be easy at all as you think, but nothing is impossible. You must not forget that you did not pay the bride price of your wife. You only did the court marriage, which is just going to the court to sign documents with the little merriment. That did not give you the full traditional right to have her corpse at all. You may legally have her properties, but not her corpse. Unless you have the powers or legal backup for that to happen.
Papa, I have all the powers and enough money to make anything happen now. But how do we go about this? Because I want to equally have the customary powers to bury my wife, traditionally in my own land, as the tradition demands.
Then you have to marry her in casket. You have to pay her bride price as her traditional right, according to our tradition, in debt. Even the children you claim to be yours, if you don't do that, you don't have right over those children. You don't. I warned you, but you didn't listen to me. I called on you severally on this issue immediately after your court marriage, but you didn't listen to me. You failed to disclose the situation surrounding the situation of your wife to me. You failed to tell me that your wife was married. If you had done that, we would have done the needful. But now, as it stands now, is going to be war. Especially now that the husband is back, trying to claim those children. You see? And you see, traditionally, those children belong to him. That is what it means.
He will never have my children.
Why wouldn't he have your children when you fail to do the right things the right ways? Anyway, it has been a perilous journey, but I will take you through all these hurdles as your father. But I must warn you, be careful, because I perceive war, real war.
Ogo, I am so happy to see you.
Thank you so much.
I am so happy to see you after all these years. I am in constant communication with your father, so I know what was happening. But we thank God, Chukwu Kikabiama, that kept you all these years and still preserved you and brought you back safely. We thank him. Right. My wife went to the market too, but she will soon be back. She cannot wait to see you.
Honestly, I cannot wait to see her. It has been long. Chai, Mama.
Ogo, we wouldn't want to waste so much time because we have other places to go to. My son came back having spent so many years in prison abroad, which you are aware of. We came here to check if his wife, my daughter-in-law, is here. And if she's not, to ask you her whereabouts. Because ever since he came back, he has not set eyes on his wife. And that has become a source of worry and concern to us.
She is not here. In fact, I have not set eyes on her for some time now because of the little misunderstanding we had. But it is unlike her not to call me for so long. Anyway, I will call and check on her. But did you go to your house in the city to check for her?
Okoga did. I was there, but she was nowhere to be found. Rather, we met one man that introduced himself as her husband.
That's part of the reason I stated earlier. That's part of our misunderstanding. She took some decisions which I did not approve of. But let me assure you, Ogo, you are the one I know. Because you are the man I gave my daughter's hand in marriage to. I cannot change. Not even the court marriage they had in city will change my resolve. You are my only Ogo.
Okogo. Ogo. Honestly, I appreciate your kindness and sincerity. But I will reserve my opinion till you find her.
Ogo, just like my son said, we appreciate your kindness and your sincerity. We cannot take it for granted. If we find her, we'll come back to tell you. But if we don't, we'll still come back to let you know.
Omaka. Huh?
Okogo. Imana kasisi esmesia. Biko. Please, Papa. Kinini.
Yeah.
Yes. You see what?
Oh, okay, you come.
Oh, Imana Maya na gas or so. And I do something American company at least.
Okanabia?
It's here on it. Is it to buy some color?
Thank you. May our gods bless you. You go and come back.
He said,
You will see no evil.
he said,
So this is the place. You like it?
It's okay. I can just manage this one for a start. Predominantly, if the inside is, looks nice, I think I'll make payment.
That means you're making the payment today because the inside is very much better than the outside.
You sure
since
about
you
that?
like the outside, you will like the inside.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Then let's take a look.
My husband, how many times will I want you to stop calling that ex-convict your in-law? My daughter is happily married. Eh? What is all this? See, let me tell you, I don't want to be seeing that useless man and his father in this house again. Oh. That's if you value your peace of mind. I have said my own.
Chukwuebuka is the man I gave the hand of my daughter in marriage to. He is my in-law and he will continue to be my in-law. Whatever agreement you have with that young man is your business. In fact, I don't blame the man. I blame my daughter who refused to listen to me.
Akoya, all you should be planning now is how to return back his diary paid on our daughter's schedule. Eh? I have been telling you this thing countless times, but you refuse to listen to me. Simply because of the reason you have, I don't know. Eh? You see all those my enemies that are planning my downfall in this village, they will never succeed. I promise you that. They can never succeed. God can help me here.
Chukwuebuka is my in-law. I have said it before and I will continue to say it.
I wonder why my daughter is not picking her call. Eh? At least let her hear what her father is saying. You don't even have pity on your daughter. Eh? Since you said you will not give me peace of mind in this house, you will never have peace of mind. I've warned you. Stop allowing that stupid boy in this house. Oh. Stop allowing him in this house.
Sometimes he go look good. Sometimes he go look bad.
Well, this is a little token for your job well done, okay? And I advise you to do more.
Thank you, sir.
Just let me know at once when your guy is back.
Okay, sir.
Anything you see or hear, don't hesitate to call me, okay?
Okay, sir.
I
believe you, sir.
Just
any information.
Better. Thank you.
Alpha. It is done. Alright. You will see us now in the next 30 minutes. Alright. Baga.
Yes, boss.
Get our guys ready.
Yes, boss.
Alright.
Portugal, my man. Odogu. Honestly, I'm very happy for you. I didn't know that the journey would be this successful.
Odera na God, na God, na.
No. Don't tell me that, please. No, they whine me. Which God are you talking about? No, be all of us follow do the waka. Now you are involving God into this thing. Please, this kind of your grades, I don't understand. You don't involve God at all.
You know, you're sounding so draw. Odera is still God. Now God run the grace. It's not easy to do anything and become successful. See, it's quite unfortunate that it happened the way it did. But we are still friends, okay? You don't have to distance yourself from us. let's stick together as one, okay?
Well, I understand. It's just that I don't want to disturb anybody. Yeah.
Did you call that disturbance? You need to disturb anybody, Odera. Like I said, we are friends. And we will remain friends. Let's stay together. Especially now that Donald has lost his wife. He needs us as friends, okay?
Yeah, you are right, I understand. Well, I will always be around anytime any of you need me. And I've tried to reach out to Donald, although he's not picking. Maybe he's very busy with some engagement.
Yes, you are not far from the truth. He's a very busy man. Things are not the way it used to be. Change of levels. Okay, and hopefully you're going to see him tomorrow because he's trying to go and see his in-laws and to officially inform them about the death of their daughter.
Oh, till now?
Yes, they are not aware. So he's going to have a very concrete and a solid discussion with them, and also the issues he's having over his late wife's ex-husband, because they are not aware.
Oh, he's back?
Oh yes, he's back with lots of trouble. He is trying to get all his properties, and then he's laying claims on Donald's children.
Honestly, I'm seeing war coming.
That is an understatement, bro. We are ready at war.
David.
Boss.
You have to take her to a new place. Of course, you know what to do.
Sure I do.
Puma.
Boss.
Baga.
Boss.
Loud.
Boss.
It's time.
What is it that happened to my daughter? Because
Mama, the doctor tried his best, but he couldn't save her. So the bleeding was too much after birth.
So you came here to tell me that my daughter is dead. As who to her?
As her husband, Papa.
This is not time for all this. We just lost our daughter.
And that is the reason I am waiting for the man I gave my daughter's hand in marriage to come and give me that news and message, not any other person. I know the person I gave my daughter's hand in marriage to. He is the correct person to come here and tell me, I will not accept this message from any other person.
Chief Mbakwe, there is nothing we cannot amend amicably. What has happened has happened. What we should be discussing right now is how to bury your daughter to rest in peace in her husband's house, which is my son's house. Chief Mbakwe, get ma. Okay, no. You are man nobody.
I did not give my daughter's hand in marriage to your son. I do not know him as my daughter's husband. Until the man I gave my daughter's hand in marriage comes here. Then I will know what to do. As for now, this meeting is over, and I want you and your son to leave my house.
Nah, but Ikedieze. Why are you asking them to leave? You're not giving them a fair hearing. Why?
Chifumbakwe. We will be back. Take it easy.
It's okay, Mama.
I've been forget Walker. Why do you hate this man that truly loved our daughter so much when she was alive? And even now that she's dead, can you need a mountain? Can you make it? Why do you hate this young man so much? No, hey, Jimo.
Oh, this is crazy. So, Papa, what do we do now?
We have to move.
Okay. Yeah. Hello? What?
Ogene.
The corpse is missing from the mortuary. Hey, let's leave.
I said it.
Move the car. That's terrible. If he could go as far as kidnapping the dead body from the mortuary, there's nothing he cannot do. That means he will do anything to affect anybody around me, including my loved ones. None of us is safe. My children are not safe.
I think we underestimated that bastard. He's out to prove to you that he's ready to crush anything that will stand in his way of reclaiming everything that belongs to him, including your children.
Odera, I want to hand over my children to you for now, until all these things are over. You're the only one I can trust with my kids.
Yeah, Dogado, you're right. Odera knows how to keep a low profile than every one of us here. He loves the kids, the kid loves him too, and I think they are familiar with him. I think it's a better idea. The kids should stay with him.
Well, that will not be a problem. I will do everything I can to help in any way I know I can help.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're already doing too much for me. Guys, I cannot bury my wife without the corpse. And if I cannot bury my wife, there's no way I will prove that she was my wife. That man is not helping matters. He refused to collect the diary from me.
But why?
He's insisting that Angola is the only one that he handed his daughter over to. God. That he cannot collect diary from any other person. Can you imagine? This whole issue started when that guy was in prison and we thought that he was dead. But never mind. I will do everything within my powers to stop that mugu. We eliminate the bastard. Even if it means getting more heads for it.
You sure so?
Sure so, Gada.
Hey!
Stop that mugu. Can you imagine?
We'll discuss further with our kinsmen regarding the burial. But if there's any further, marriage arrangement that has to be done, of course we will do that. Honestly, I am saddened. Not just me. We are saddened by the demise of my wife. I mean, how can she just die like that? But all the same, I will give her a befitting burial. I will make sure I give her a very befitting burial.
Thank you, my son. Thank you very much. Naomi was my only daughter. In fact, my only child. I never knew I would be the one to bury her. I love my daughter so much. Love her even to death. But God knows the best. Thank you. Thank you.
Whatever we are doing, you should know that Naomi remarried when you are in prison abroad. We all thought that you are dead. She had to move on with her life.
Mama, listen, let me tell you this. To the best of my knowledge, Naomi is only married to one person, and that person is me. Do you understand me? She's not married to any other person. And the only thing I can sit down here to discuss is on how I should bury my wife. Not sit down and start discussing where I should bury my wife. No, mama.
You are the one I gave my daughter's hand in marriage to. It is you I know. It is in your place that my daughter will be buried, not any other place.
And moreover, I am not going to discuss about that. When I'm ready to sit down, I should be discussing what killed my wife and what happened to the rest of my properties that were under her care. But at the moment, I am bent on giving my wife a befitting burial, and that is it.
Yes.
So,
my son, you have spoken well. Let us wait until the plan, till a date is fixed. So we are behind you, solidly behind you.
Papa, thank you. What I'm getting?
God, Holy Jesus. Is this a birthmark or what?
Yes, Kamusa and our newborn baby have the birthmark on the same spot.
Portugal, my man.
I just think my life. I just think my life.
What do you think again? There's something I wanted to ask you, and I believe this is the best opportunity to ask you that. This mark on your body, is it a family identification mark?
Well, that is the exact word for it. You see this mark? My father has it. My father's brothers, all of them, they have the same mark on the same spot. My siblings and I, we have this mark. As a matter of fact, if I have children, they will all have the same mark on the same spot.
That is a very strong one. That means your family gene is very, very strong.
Yeah, you can say that. See, no woman can force a child on me. And no woman can deny me the paternity of my children. See, in my family, we don't need any DNA to identify our kids. If you don't have this mark, you don't belong to us. And if you do, nobody will say nothing, no jack about it, though that those children are ours. That is what we are known for in my family.
Hello, Portugal. I need you in my house right now. Just come first. You can wear your clothes.
From road to junction, okay, me through introduction.
I'll with you. Nah, I got Amaka.
Enjoy yourself.
I'm enjoying myself, Ogo. Hell, tomorrow, look away. Ogo, you have to visit Chief Ofo. He will tell you what to do. It's time for you to throw some money around to have your wife buried the way you want and how you want. You see that bandit, he will never have my daughter. Or mommy.
Thank you so much for the advice and the support you are giving me. That is exactly what I need right now. Because that boy is causing a lot of problem. That guy went to the mortuary to kidnap the dead body. The mortuary. But never mind, my boys are investigating the whole mortuaries in town to recover the dead body. We can handle that. I've seen a lot in the hands of that boy since he came out from prison. That bastard, that mugu. But I will deal with it.
Did I hear you? What did you say that happened to my daughter?
I said he went to the mortuary where the body was deposited and kidnapped the dead body.
Hey!
But we are taking care of that. There's no problem.
Jim.
No cause for alarm.
Eh? You see the reason why I don't want that man anywhere around my grandchildren and I. I detest that man. It's Kamiya. I don't know what my husband sees in that man that kidnapped dead bodies. Gekwente, Ogo, you have to do what I asked you to do. Leave the rest for me. Haramia. Let me do my underground job for you. Hapurumia.
Mama, thank you for that. But please, Mama, don't let your husband know about the missing corpse of Naomi. We can handle that.
It's probably their plan. But they will fail. They can never succeed.
They have failed already.
Omame.
Mugus.
Mugus.
Ha. They have failed.
They
have failed.
I wonder what the problem is that you are summoning me to come. Is it a matter of urgency, Odera? What is it?
Were you sleeping with Naomi while she was alive? What kind of question is that? I asked you a simple question and I need a simple answer. Lower your voice. Lower your voice. Were you sleeping with the donor's wife?
And I ask you a direct question. Like you say, where is this question coming from, Odera?
See, in fact, follow me. Follow me inside.
Where is your sister?
She's sleeping.
Stand up, stand up. See what I'm saying? Even the sister has it too.
They are mine. They are my kids. These are my kids.
Your mother-in-law
directed you to the right place. And she knows what I'm capable of doing. But this time, it will take more than one person to do it. I have to recruit some of my kinsmen. And to convince them is exactly the same way you convinced me.
Well, it's okay. I have what it takes to handle that. That will not and can never be a problem. I'll take care of it.
The only way out of all this is for you to pay Naomi's bride price in debt. Then you will have every right to bury her as your own wife. There is no point rushing to court to pay another man's bride price. It will not help his suit. And it will not make you, according to tradition, the rightful owner of the corpse. After paying the bride price, we, the elders, will now do our own part. And then we will use part of the money to give back Angola whatever he paid on the head of Naomi.
Okay. What if Naomi's father insists on not receiving the bride price from me?
I know exactly what to do. But then, I will pay him a visit.
Zara, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Listen, I hold this one. I will send you more money so that you can use it to take care of your kinsmen. So that they will be able to support me. I will surprise you more.
Wow. Look, consider your problems solved.
Okay.
You don't have any problems again.
Thank you.
This.
It's a very, very shocking news. I can't comprehend it as well. I know how confused you might be right now. But Odera, I just really want you to understand me because you are a man. You know, I can never have kids again, considering the ways and manner in which I made this wealth that I'm enjoying now. Naomi never told me she had kids for me. She never mentioned it to me. We were in love, yes, we were really in love, but we did everything in secret. This is blessing to me, but I can perceive blood already because I, Portugal, will not allow anybody take away my kids from me. And Dogado, that I know, would rather die than to have me have those children.
So, what do you want to do now?
What everyone in my shoes would do.
Which is?
I will do everything within my powers to claim my children.
I can see war coming, not just between you and Donald, but between you and Angola. Because he won the keys too.
Portugal. Portugal. I have money, arsenal, and men for war.
Can your money and your arsenal protect you from Donald?
I think this is where Idodo Shrine will come in. It's high time I paid her a visit.
Action is precious.
Just let me know when you are ready for us to visit him.
Yes, I have to consult Chief Nzube and inform him of the new development. Then grease his hand like I did to us, and get him on our side before we can think of paying a visit to Chief Mbakwe. He has to agree to allow that young man marry his daughter, Nomu, in debt, and have him bury her wherever he wishes to bury her.
Yes. I'm ready anytime, any day. So far my hands are receiving what I received today. You see, anyone can have Naomi's corpse. But Chief Mbakwe and that ex-convict should never do anything to stop that innocent young man from having his wife's corpse.
Impossible. Impossible. I say that is impossible. It cannot happen as long as we are alive and handling this case. It will never happen.
That is true. I trust you. And I know what you are capable of doing.
Look, you will hear from me whenever we are ready. I will call you. God bazie ka isiku.
Subhadro, I'll be at your service anytime you need me. Thanks for the money.
Look, more will still come if we do this right.
We're already doing it right. Yes, we're already doing it right. Look, let me tell you, Chief Mbakwe must do what we want him to do. Else, he will have us to contend with. Look. We are his kinsmen. And we have the right to decide who gets married to our daughter. But Manando, Manon, Otu Akode, Mokweria, Otu Akode.
I will call you whenever we are ready.
Oh, no problem. I am waiting for your call. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I can see an endless war. I can even perceive blood. But you need to prepare yourself. Because what you seek from this shrine cannot be granted. Both of you are children of Idido, and as a father, he cannot take sides when his two children are fighting.
The Great One, what do you suggest I do?
It is not in my position to tell you what to do. The gods already can see how all this will eventually end. And if it is not well handled with adequate caution, not even death can stop this war. Ile gana dani nwere hanya menege mabu dogere mabu dende ma mokwa gbara nkete de ko kwa kporo ma nya bu no kwa piero bo mogu no bo gere ndi ko bonde ma ha so kwara mo no panu poko goro do titi le tio mo kunye ka de ni go bi ni bo ko me ku go no beje wo ni no la.
Yeah, I get it. It's alright. It's okay. Chigi.
Boss.
I want the parents kidnapped. Just the way they kidnapped the dead body. And until the corpse is free, he will never set his eyes on his parents. The code?
Of course. You know what we can do. It's a simple job. Consider it done.
Good. Let's teach that Mugu a lesson. Rubbish. Get it done. Mugu. Angola and
Doctor, Sally Santos. Please, if you need any other thing, you just let me know. Please, I want to be very sure if these kids are my biological children so that no one comes tomorrow to question their paternity. Please, do a good job.
Okay, it's alright. I will call you once I'm done. By the way, you need to drop your sample first. So if you're leaving, the second door by your left, that's our lab.
I will do just that. Thank you very much.
Okay, so
thank you. Okay.
Okay, come to my office, collect some samples for DNA test.
We will pay your husband a visit tomorrow. I have recruited most of the elders who will try and convince him to accept the bride from Donald. But if he refuses to let that happen, I will switch over to Plan B.
Plan B? Which is? Just tell me.
You don't need to know that yet. Just try and convince him to accept the bride price from Donald when we leave tomorrow. The elders and I cannot afford to miss the money Donald promised to give us.
Well, he has no choice than to accept the bride price. But if he refuses to collect it, I will collect it on his behalf.
That sounds like a plan. We will see tomorrow.
That's what I do.
I will crush anything that stands in my way from claiming my children.
Kill them both if the son refuses to comply.
Sure, boss.
Wake up, Bacha, we got one for my taste. For my side, to your case, yeah. Sometimes you go look good, sometimes you go look bad.
That boy kidnapped my parents and gave me 2 days to release my wife's cause to him. Otherwise, he will kill my parents. That bastard killed my wife, and he still has the guts to kidnap my parents. I will teach that boy a lesson of his life. Me bury you. I will recircumcise him. Guys.
Boss.
We don't have to be distracted from our plans.
Yes, boss.
We must remain focused, especially now that the war has taken a new dimension. So that boy, for all the best that he has cost me and my family, I will teach him a lesson. Ma, you. Guys,
Boss.
Get prepared.
All right, boss.
Right, boss.
I have said it all, but I will say it once again. I have only one in-law, and that is the only in-law that I know, the one I gave my daughter's hand in marriage to. And I don't want another, not when the one I have is still alive and still interested in my daughter, even though she's dead. This is the man that will bury her in his place, so that my daughter's soul will rest in peace, and my own soul will also be in peace. This Donald of a boy, I don't know him. And to tell you the truth, I don't want to know him.
Mbakwe, we know him, and you have to know him, especially now that your daughter is dead and must be buried accordingly. Look. What do you intend to tell your grandchildren when they grow up and start asking questions why their mother was not buried in their father's compound?
Ofo, why are you sounding this way? Why are you sounding like a man that is confused? My daughter's children belong to the man I hand my daughter over to. It is not in our custom for another man to take another man's child.
But this one is different. This case is different. Eh? The Angola of a boy spent almost a decade abroad in the prison, and our daughter couldn't wait. So she legally got married in the city with another man, and they gave birth. Yes, they gave birth. So you have to receive the bride price from the man, so so that he can bury his wife. Or we, your kinsmen, will receive it on your behalf.
That will be over my dead body. You have to kill me first.
Okay.
Mbakwe. No one will kill you. And we are not going to die anytime soon. Because we don't even have shishi to bury you now. And as Nzube said, we may have no choice than to do the needful on your behalf.
That's it.
And you know that you are not the only father of Naomi. We are her fathers too, and we have every right to receive her bride price on your behalf.
Simple.
As her kinsmen.
Simple.
Ezioku.
Yes.
I am waiting for that to happen.
And you will not wait for so long.
Oh.
One.
Chewe? Jeshike. Kailan. Jeshike. Iga no gam here, man.
Someone dropped this in front of gates.
Did you see the person?
No, sir.
Okay, go back to the duty post.
Someone dropped this at the gate.
What's this?
I don't know.
What? They kidnapped my kids. What? Get the car ready.
Okay, sir.
Iman Angola sirike, Angola neme ife sirike. Hopata no bodo bodachi yaribanu, Angola neme ife sirike. Ichora kaniti wasiwa nyeti wasiwa, Angola sirike, Olympia kasi.
My baby. So, I am your biological father. The man you used to live with is a friend that I asked to take care of you. Because of some circumstances surrounding your mom and I and how you people came to be, I want you to relax and be comfortable. This is your home, okay?
Is that why my dad haven't been with us since our mom died?
Yes. That was why he tried to kill you people until I stepped in and stopped him. And he would try to kill you people again. So you should be very careful. Don't go anywhere close to him. If he calls, don't pick his call. Avoid him. Are you hearing me?
Okay, sir.
No. Okay, Dad. I am your daddy.
Okay, Dad.
Good. That's my boy. So, I will make sure the maid prepare your room, make you very comfortable. Anything you want, she'll give you. Enough food is in this house, right? That's my boy. That is love.
I want us to have a discussion. So you're the leader of the gang that kidnapped my parents, and you're taking care of them in the hideout for your boss, Donald. You know, if we continue to kidnap and kill our parents and our wives, nobody will still be alive. What will be again? You know, it's not ideal. I know you will go back to that hideout. Bring my parents. Bring them back to me. I want to see them with you. Failure to do that, you'll be the only living thing in your kindred. And I mean it.
I'll bring them back to you first thing tomorrow morning.
Great.
From road to junction, okay, me do introduction. For take your graggy day, man, no, so. Enough and na monso. Yeah. Ogini na biona, ogini na bio. Man, Angola sirike, sirike. Angola me face. Papa no poto, potati aribanu. Angola me face.
Where are my kids? I said, where are my children?
Please, I can explain. Please, if you listen to me, I can explain.
Listen to what? Where are the kids?
They are with their father.
I handed over my kids to you. And you're here telling me they are with their father.
Listen, I stepped out to buy something, only for me to return, and I couldn't find them in the house. So I saw this note and the DNA test. Portugal took them away.
You conspired with Portugal and facilitated the handing over of my kids to him.
No, it's not true.
Shut up.
I didn't do that. Please.
Do the needful.
Please. John, I can explain.
Explain to your ancestors.
Dogado, the journey to your destruction just started, and I will make sure you are completely destroyed.
Great Idido. Great Idido. I come in peace. I'm sorry. I have to do this.
Who is this, without fear, that has the guts to go inside the shrine of the great Idido to take what is not his?
great one. I actually visited your territory, but you were not there.
You invaded the shrine of the great Idido and took what is not yours with the intention to hurt your friend, who is the owner. But I must warn you, like I've always done, the day you stepped into the shrine of the great Idido, together with the owner of the spot of power, wealth and life, is the day you had an oath to protect one another, never to intentionally hurt each other. The pot is now in your care. It is now your responsibility to take care of and protect it, like the great Idido has been doing. You will die as well the very moment anything goes wrong with that pot. You have been warned.
Papa, these are the posters we made for her. I have concluded all arrangements for her burial. If we leave the morgue, we'll do a brief stopover at our father's house, which is here. Thereafter, we'll move straight to my house to give her the final burial ceremony.
It is well. I commend you for all your efforts.
It's okay.
I heard what befell your parents. What is actually happening?
There's no problem. I've done everything within my power to secure their release, and I'm sure that before the end of today, they will be in my house. Yes.
May our ancestors always protect you.
You see, if I forget, I think you'll be needing this, to help yourself in preparation for the burial. In case there's anything you want to buy or get for yourself. And then, if there's anything that you need, please don't hesitate to let me know.
No, I don't think I will need any other thing. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Yes.
May
God be with you.
You too. Lord, come on.
It's funny. I traveled all the way to Idido Shrine to get this pot and destroy Dona. I mean, to put an end to his existence. Now I will become the gatekeeper of this same pot. Ha! What a miscalculated move did I make. I will have to guide this pot to keep it safe, else I will die. Now I've just added up extra burden into the existing war that I'm already in. Che, Portugal, Iliensi. Ligbo onwe gị na nsị. Chai.
So I'll put 10,000 in a wire in a marriage, because next time you point your gun at me, you won't be safe. My peggy, 10 over 10. That bullet.
Listen, my brother. It is not the cause of the juju or the price of the juju that determines its potency. Listen, my boy. I have tried everything possible to make sure our ways do not cross. But you are busy perambulating. You are running to the village to go and spray money, throw money up and down to the families of my ex-wife and their relatives. That's it.
Oh, your ex-wife. I can see you are just coming from your ex-wife's house, where you go around every day causing nuisance, jumping around every Eke market in the name of preparing for burial. Huh?
Anyway, I just want to let you know that I've already designed the posters. But by the time you get to our house, you see the poster. Put the date. And I'm inviting you and your cohort, especially Portugal. That is if you're still alive to make it.
And get ready to dig your grave. At the grave of every other person that comes there. I know they call you Angola, so you are used to antelope. That's why you're jumping around in Amachare. But mind you, if you try it next time, maybe Guku.
That is why they call me Angola. If you don't know this. I will circumcise you. Maybe I will Guku. By the way, thank you for taking care of my mother. In fact, my parents, two of them, my mom and my dad, they extended their regards.
Good. What's going on?
Sinkosti should answer that. He has not been taking his courses.
Is the parents no longer there? That's the only collateral we have. What are you guys doing? Get in the car.
From road to junction, okay, me do introduction. What you got ready there? Man, no, so. Enough and na monso. Yeah. Ogini na viola, ogini na viola. Man, Angola sirike, Angola me face. Papa no poto potati aribanu. Angola me face.
Look at him. Please, what are you doing? Give me back the pot. You don't have to destroy it. Okay. All right. Fine. You know what? If it's the kids, I'm going to send them back to you. My houses, if you want them, I'll give them all to you. What do you want? Just name it. And I, Portugal, will give everything back to you. Don't just destroy the pot that will end up destroying us.
Shut up. Destroying the pot will never destroy us. Rather, it will destroy you. Only you. This is my order now.
Huh? Look at
Nothing will affect me from destroying these pots.
Look at you, please.
Because we are no longer bonded together.
Look at you, please. Remember, we are friends. We have come a long way. For decades, we have been friends together. We talk, we suffer, we did everything together. Please don't destroy me.
So,
because
you know we are friends. But you went ahead to kidnap my children and claim they are yours. Huh?
Have
you
them.
will never know peace once I'm alive.
Have the children. Have them. I give them back to you. Please.
Shut up! I can still have them once you're dead. You don't need to give them back to me. Because you're going to die.
Please. Dogado. We are friends, oh. It's me, oh, Portugal.
You think you're the only one that got to Dodo Shrine to steal a pot? A pot of life? No way. You're going to learn the hard way. No. Mbada, you better go.
Please. Please, Dogado. Don't do this.
You learn the
because
hard way.
Look at now!
That bastard is up to something. I don't think my pot of life and power is safe at Ikedieze Shrine. If I can get his own pot of power, then he can get mine as well and destroy me. And nothing will happen to him because he has Odunna as an extra power. Then I need to act fast. I will do that.
Mbakwe, so you went ahead to plan the burial of our own daughter without our consent and approval. The date is out. Everything seemed to be perfected. And we are just finding out. Mbakwe.
You and that young man intentionally ambushed us. Intentionally ambushed us in our own daughter's burial.
Yes, my daughter's burial has been planned and the date has been fixed by her husband's people. And they will be having a stop over here for us to see her for the last time, according to our custom. Then they will proceed to the husband's house for the burial and funeral. But whoever is not comfortable with the arrangement can decide not to go.
Yeah?
I will not hold it against that person.
Imagine. Only can you decide not to come.
See how confident you are sounding. Look, if you think you can plan and fix the burial of our own daughter without our consent, it will not work.
I understand that Naomi is our daughter. However, I decided not to plan the burial of my daughter with people that have been lobbied to make sure that the burial does not hold.
What?
I have said this, and I will just say it one more time. Whoever is not comfortable with the arrangement should decide not to come.
What?
I'll be fine with it.
You are fine with it?
Imagine you.
You are fine with what you have just said, eh?
Who are you? That burial must not hold. Bam!
Yes.
Must not hold.
It will not hold. It will not hold.
And that is our decision.
Yes. It will not hold.
It is final.
It will not hold.
It will not go. It will not hold.
Final.
You think you can fix the burial of Naomi, our own daughter, without our consent and approval? No. Ude, Nzube, Anam.
It can never. Plan it and let's see how it will work. Just plan it and let's see.
Hey, nah, you're amiga.
We cannot sit and watch Mbakwe and that ex-convict succeed in this burial. Especially now that Donald has promised to give us 2 million naira each. Yes. So we have to do everything in our power to see that burial will not hold.
Mbakwe is not the type of person you can stop without taking a serious action. Yes, we have to do something. We have to do something serious. Not talking and talking and talking. That will not be the solution. Talking will not be the solution.
Then what do we do? What do we do?
Angola sirike, Angola neme ife sirike.
I still do not know why you want to take up the responsibilities of having this spot in your custody. It is not my duty to stop you, but I must warn you that you are taking up a responsibility that will perish you.
Great one. What greater responsibility can that be other than keeping this spot safe to avoid it being destroyed?
The pot you are carrying will fetch for himself the moment he starves of blood and nobody takes him what or who to feed on. You must feed, protect, guide, and honor it as you take it home.
That is not a problem, great one. I can do all of that.
Then so shall it be. Hepụta mmanụ gị onye ọbịa anyị. Monye nyara na ga-evi we neho. Dita na agba egbe n'okwute na ala na mgbonya n'iyi. Megata na achụ mgbada ya gbaji ọsọ họmọ na-emoshi chukwu kere mgbada bụ ọsọ bidoro ma ọsọ gwa abụ n'oge mgbada ihe ọhụrụ. Hidido oke mma na onwe onye, oke mma na onwe onye, ekele mugo, ekele mugo, ekele mugo.
From road to junction, okay, me through introduction.
You see, I did not want to say this thing before we do because I don't trust him that much. Besides, I don't know how he will react to my suggestion. Yes.
What is your suggestion? I'm sure you know you can trust me.
See, we have only one option left. One option. And that is to kill Mbakwe. Eliminate him. And we have to do that as quickly as possible. You see, I need that 2 million naira for my Ezane title. Oh, I'm a member. I need it.
Where do you say you found this? Inside the wardrobe. And you touched it?
You must fix the burial date of your wife to correspond with the date that Angola fixes for his wife, for Naomi. We have done everything, but you will give me some money to help me mobilize some youth of our village to join forces with the youth of my kindred to hijack the body of Naomi immediately on arrival to Mbakwe's house.
That's a brilliant idea.
I know you have boys, but it will be easier for the youth of this village to do the job. Huh? They will hijack the corpse and give it over to you for burial. Look, if Naomi's father refuses or does anything, since he doesn't want to do anything right, we will show him where he will sit.
All right. Father, I will send my people to give you more money so that you use it to prepare yourself and arrange anybody necessary. Okay? I will send more money to you.
Don't worry yourself anymore. Consider this done. This is a matter that has been solved. In fact, almost completely solved. This problem. So, as long as I'm here, I'm alive with my people. You are selling our way.
It's good that your people listen to you. Thank you.
You got one for my taste. For my side to your case, Nakamu case, yeah.
Boss, you have a visitor.
And who could that be?
Angola. And he's here with his men, fully armed. He demands your presence.
At my signal, shoot any idiot. Any scallywag that makes any funny move. That man and his men are dangerous.
My men are in position.
Portugal or whatever they call you. I was meant to understand that my children are under your custody. And I'm also here for us to have an understanding.
Is that why you burst into my territory uninvited?
I do not need any invitation from any babysitter to visit my own children. You're not doing bad, my brother. It gives me a great pleasure to know that my children are in a better environment. No problem. I will come to pick them up immediately after my wife's burial. But make sure that they are in good condition, okay?
You lie. No one would take my kids away from me. Donna couldn't, and you cannot as well.
Well, no, I'm not doing that. I get whatever I want, and I will get there.
From road to junction, okay, me do introduction. What take your baggy day?
We are at war with the most dangerous man in the city. Prepare yourself.
It's perfectly done. Perfectly done. See, we will now keep our ears on the ground in the morning so that we'll be the first to run to his house once his wife starts crying.
It will be wonderful.
Yes, very wonderful.
Akwante, ntanoge. You see,
sorry,
thank you for job well done.
Thank you. Thank you. What does this supposed to mean? Huh? Why are you here? You are not supposed to be here. Mba. No. What is happening to my leg? I can't lift my leg. Hey! Hey! Ogadi! Hey! Ogadi!
Abba!
Hey!
What happened to you? Did you fall down? What happened to your leg?
I can't lift my leg.
What? Hey, you can't lift it. I can't lift my leg. Papa, come.
It's very heavy. Very heavy.
Papa, come, let's go inside.
I can't lift it.
Hey!
I can't
Papa, what happened to you? Come, let's go. Heavy. Come, let me carry you. Papa, come, let's go now. What do you mean you can't lift your leg? Which one? Is it this one or this one? Which one?
Two of them. I can't lift any of them.
Papa, come, let's go inside. Jesus. Chineke me. Papa, please now stand up. Let's go inside. Papa, just try. Lift yourself small. Lift yourself small. Papa, be come. Try.
Adresi le bubongo. Obele igbu onwe ya.
Sometimes you go look good to oh. Sometimes you go look good to If I knew
So, this boy feast the burial date of my wife the same day I feast mine. Whatever that is giving this boy, in fact, whatever that gave him the impetus to feast the burial date of a corpse that is not under his custody, that thing must be very strong. Very, very strong. Guys.
Yes, boss.
We have to beef up the security at the mortuary.
Right,
I have this feeling that that idiot will attack us very soon.
All right, boss.
And probably cut away with my wife's cause. Anaka mami. Oh mami. Oh.
Pretty boy. From road to junction. Okay, me do introduction. What you got ready there? Man,
He came up from the house and saw a charm in the compound. So he fell down after calling my name for his rescue. Ever since then, he cannot talk. He cannot see. He cannot even move his legs.
All this happened at the same time.
Yes,
and right now, no one knows where the charm is.
When I did this to my father, the person will be rewarded with the worst.
Stop crying, my daughter. Stop crying. I'm going. But I'll be back tomorrow. We must find a way to make sure that your father gets here. Stop crying.
Oh, no.
Stop crying.
Thank you.
Chifumbakwe wants to show us that he has charms to protect himself and to strike whosoever that tries to prevent him or tries to attack him. He will not only hear from me, he should be prepared for what is coming his way.
We are leaving this house tomorrow. We will run down to the Catholic Church and tell the priest about our predicament and plead with him to take us to our grandparents' home in the village. I'm sure he'll help us.
Who gave you this thought? What about the charm?
I just forget it. Just focus on getting out of this demonic house with me.
Oh, okay. Don't let anybody hear about this. Okay, let's go.
I am not allowed to leave my house until after my daughter's burial, which is tomorrow. That is according to our tradition. But I heard what happened. It's a pity.
Yes. How are you going to handle your both in-laws fixing your daughter's burial tomorrow? Who do you want to hand over the corpse to? Since you have refused us, your kinsmen, to fix the problem.
I have only one in-law, and that is Chukwebuka. If I see any other person in my house with my daughter's corpse, that person may likely end up with my daughter.
Well, we shall see how it's going to happen. Let me go. We shall see tomorrow.
Wake up, Bacha. You got one for my taste. on my side, your case, Nakamu case.
Somebody help me. Help! Somebody help me. Chief Mbakwe, please forgive me. Forgive me. I'll not try it again. I will not try it. Somebody come on. Help. Somebody help me. I will not try it again. Chief Mbakwe. I'll not try you. I'll not try you again. Forgive me. Forgive me.
No one steps on my toes with the intention to harm me and lives to tell the story. I'll be here tomorrow to see anybody make any funny moves during my daughter's burial. He will probably end up with my daughter.
Hey, Chicken, where's everybody? See, you guys have to do whatever you need to do to make sure you hijack the cops. Immediately it arrives my in-laws' place.
Okay,
You
boss.
heard me?
Yes, boss.
The youths, the elders, everybody, sort it out. You hear me?
Okay, boss.
So your job there is to shoot. Shoot anybody that tries to stop you from taking over the cops.
Yes,
You get the code?
Yes, boss.
The code?
Yes, boss.
Get the car ready, let's move.
All right, boss.
Mugus.
I like that one. Yeah. The Prado, the autobiography, 2024 model, and the Sahara Wrangler predominantly. Yes, the three of them. See, point of correction. Whenever you are talking to me, don't mention money. See, I don't answer to money, money answer to me. I am Portugal. Ikedieze. Just mention it and it's done. It's all right. Just deliver it. Deliver them. Thank you very much. Too much money.
Honey.
Yeah, sweetie.
What was that, Coco?
Some fleets of cars that you will like.
Ooh. I love that sound.
Oh yeah, look at you.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
And you see this building? When we get home, remind me to call the contractor. I want this building demolished so that we can erect something befitting.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I'm feeling that energy. Oh my goodness.
You can say that again.
Wow. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Boss. What is it, boss?
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Look at you.
Boss! Boss! Boss, what is it?
What's happening?
Boss!
Babe!
Boss!
What's happening?
Let's take me!
Carry him up now! What are you looking at? Jesus Christ!
Boss!
Somebody help! Take him inside the car, take him in! Jesus, honey! Babe! Oh my God! Jesus, something! Honey! Take him! Babe! Oh my God!
Boss, stop the car, stop the car, stop the car! Boss, open the door! Boss, oh my God, boss, what is wrong with him? He's not breathing, he's not breathing. Let's take it to the hospital. Let's go, enter the car, let's go, move. Boss, please take it easy, boss. Boss, hey, they go. Boss, I beg, boss, calm down.
Let's go to the church and meet the parish priest. He'll help us get Grandpa on phone, so he'll come and get us.
Okay, let's go.
Gbata no ge gbe bia na bia bo no mo gbara jegire. O me egwegwa na le egwegwa. Bo me ngboji ko onye osho yo. O ma nwere isha de no gon come. Ke den ke gbere ni gi shi abda na ganya na. The great Dido. Here is the blood of your two disobedient children that decided to play the role of the gods when they took the responsibility of safeguarding the mud pot of sacrifice that should be left in your care. I present to you their blood, and I assure you that more blood will continue to come because the war is not over yet. Ugudi ko dogba ga mo yin gberigi lolo yin mo gaga dogba ira ugu na eri okeshi na ebule ejuko gi enya trugba gidigbo nwe chogo gere no woru nwe gwa lagre onwe woru nwe gwa lagre onwe woru nwe gwa lagre ya budo na ganya na ya bu na yo anu mo yoro kun yo no mema yo kono go ka bu shi na bu shi yo chara gi na gba be honya idido oke man onwonye ekile nu mo ge kila tu kile ro jimiri nara mo nye pangma kwa.
Your soul will rest in peace, my beautiful daughter. You will be buried by the man I gave out your hand in marriage to, with all your dignity and pride. You will be remembered by the good things you did when you were alive, not by the mistakes you made. Your children will live better lives, and they will live with their father as the tradition demands. Go in peace, my daughter. I have seen you for the last time. And you know, you can go and bury your wife.
Papa, thank you. Thank you for everything you've done. Thank you for standing for the truth. I'll go and lay her to rest.
I received a telephone call from a priest a few minutes before you arrived. He said that the children are with him and in the church. We'll go and get them after the burial.
Oh, no problem. Thank you, sir. Let's go. Close it.
Sometimes you go look good to sometimes you go look bad to nobody. If I need no one, then I will. Only got that job, keep them now, nobody. My brother man, no what you coming down. If you get the money, everybody down. In the movement, market to Genga. I know they want in market now. I just want to burn, making money wrong because some money kill them all. Yeah, you want the money, you take the cash, they go. Without the money, I road the money, to want the money. Take the cash, they go no. Without you,